5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, show me pumpkin. Good. The second one said, there's witches in the air. The third one said, good. Wave to the ladybug. Yeah. Come on. I got that.
Don't peek. It takes all the fun out of it. Yay!
Nice cast.
Good job. Alright, hold on. Let's see what we get. Oh, looks like something. We got a fish.
Can you wave? Wave. 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 Victoria, wave. Miriam, wave. All right, girls. Go for it. Go for it. Woo! Got a big mouthful. Woo! Where'd you go? I lost you. Come here. Come here. You want this? You want this?
Can you say, happy birthday, Daddy?
Good girl, good girl. Are you walking? Here you go, you want this? You can have it.
Very good.
Good job. Good job.
Happy birthday.
Where are you going? Victoria. Victoria, where are you going? I can't keep up with you, sister. Where are you going? Miriam, you say hi to me. You want to say hi?
In the jungle.
Okay, so what are you called?
I'm a jungle fairy.
You're a jungle fairy, and what are you?
A forest fairy.
Okay, dance for me.
Actually, I'm
Go over here in the middle of the room and dance.
I'm an Indian fairy.
You're an Indian fairy?
Yeah.
All right, dance. How does Indian fairies dance?
Doing the Indian fairy too.
I like it. Very nice. Look at that. Can you do a pirouette? Do a pirouette.
I'll do a pirouette.
Okay, go ahead. Good.
It goes out. Mine doesn't because it already out.
Good job. All right, say bye to the camera.
Bye. Bye.
Here.